Christina. This song title is Malibu Mambo. It is a third count and four dance. The level is improv level and the type is mambo. When it's a song by Bella and Solidi number 8. Its song title is Malibu Mambo. It is the first collaboration in the YoungSoon song in Korea. Yes, as you know, she is a superstar in WCDF and the WCDF. Okay, so she's first superstar in Korea. She's a really wonderful dancer and choreographer. Yes, so thankfully she accepted my request and we made this dance together. Yes, so I'm really appreciative to her. Yes, thank you so much. And this music is a very unique style, so we try to make the steps more easily and joyfully. Okay, so we hope many friends enjoyed our dance. Okay, great. So explain the steps. We have start to dance up to a third count. Yes. The one thing is actually this music intro is too long. Yes. So we must choose the point when we start to dance. Yes, so we have two choices. If we start to dance up to 3 count, we have one start up to first row, and if we start to dance up to third count, yes, this dance have no tap, no restart. Okay, so we choose no tap, no restart. Okay, so please listen carefully to this intro music. Yes, and you will start to dance at the third count. Okay, great. Explain steps. Start on right foot. So section 1. We're going to start 3 times of a cross kick step. Yes, it's a left foot cross kick, step, left foot cross kick, step, left foot cross kick, step. Yes, it's 3 times. Okay, so it's cross kick, step, skip, step, kick, step, and quarter to left. It is jazz box, cross, back, side, and one more time is like the cross kick steps. Cross kick, step. Yes. So we did 4 times of cross kick steps until this count. Okay, great. And left foot cross kick, and both heel swivel to left. So cross kick, and both heel swivel to left, and swivel to right, swivel to left, and the right foot flip to back. Okay, you face it to Nanuka.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and
Section 2 as the right foot side step and the left foot crossover and the right foot side round recover and the quarter to right with the jazz box cross back side and the left foot heel jack and the left foot crossover and the left foot side mambo. You're facing to treble count. Okay?
1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Yeah, section 3. We're going to start to side 2 step with point. It's a side together, side touch, and side 2 step to left with the brush. Side together, side brush, and quarter to right with jazz box. Cross, back, side, and forward. Okay? Good.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
And section 4, We are going to start old mambo. Old mambo and backward mambo, and the right foot for the step, and the left foot hitch and clap. And the step, right foot hitch and clap. Okay? And 4 times of little learning. Yes, it's the learn, 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 learn. Yes, you're going to on the left foot.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
How was it? Yes, it is easy and joyful. Yes, we hope. Yes, so we hope many friends enjoy our dance. Okay, great. And the distance have no tag, no start. Thank you.